RCV Performance is a CV axle designed to replace your U-joint axle in your solid front axle applications such as Jeep, truck, SUV, or custom. We've been manufacturing these since 1949 in Rockford, Illinois, so everything that we produce is genuinely an American-made product. The benefit of an RCV axle is not only the strength that it provides, which is generally twice as strong as the OEM application it replaced, but the design of the CV itself. A CV is going to have 6 points of contact compared to a U-joint, which has 4 points of contact. Additionally, a CV, constant velocity, is always going to maintain the same torque in the output as the input, providing a smoother, stronger power delivery. All of our axles are comprised of an inner shaft, a CV joint, a stub shaft, and where applicable, the stub and the outer joint are an assembled unit together. The internals are going to comprise of a race, cage, bearings, and snap rings to hold the units together. Our patented spherical sealing technology boot is designed to keep all the contaminants out of the CV while protecting it, much stronger than a bellowed boot where you will see tears and rips. This spherical sealing boot is going to be tough and withstand any abuse you can throw at it. In addition to the solid axle applications we also offer direct OEM replacements for many IFS applications, such as Toyota, GM, and more. Not only will you gain strength with our IFS replacement axles, but you will gain functionality as well. Our inboard CVs are generally a DOJ joint, which provides smoothness and additional angle for your lifted truck. All shafts in our IFS application will be a minimum of 4340 US chromoly steel or 300M. For long travel or custom suspensions, we also offer all of our IFS axles at custom length. RCV axles are going to be warranted for life. That means it's the last axle shaft you'll ever buy.